What you can do to help with your baby's hiccups. Step 1. Try to elevate plus give pacifier. This calms Ayla down as hiccups annoy her. Be mindful of what bottle you use, as this can cause baby to take in too much air. Step 2. Burp baby, try multiple positions. Here's some of our favorites. Success.
Okay.
Ayla happy now.